Back on In Focus, let's start here now. Operation Dudula calling on law enforcement agencies to act on the scourge of hijacking of houses in Soweto by syndicates that terrorize the elderly. A number of homeowners have allegedly been forcefully evicted by people who claim to have bought their houses. Operation Dudula held a meeting in Diepkloof yesterday where victims shared their stories. Here's Zola Sholwana with that report.
Bezakimi bathi phuma endlini, phuma uhlaleleni, uzoboshwa. Ene bese ngazi ukuthi umagistrate ngalelo langa uzongigweba, ene uzongibopha, ene ngizoya eSun City, ene uzongigweba 3 years. Bese ngazi manje bengithuka kabi ukuthi 3 years ngizophuma ngenjani. Ngithi hayi ngiyahamba ngiyaphuma.
A thuggish business model for some syndicates has resulted in elderly people being victimized and living in fear of being kicked out of their homes. A Soweto pensioner finds herself in a predicament because of her son, who allegedly worked with syndicates who claim to be property agents.
Konke lento enzekayo la endlini umfana wami ubafana wayefundile ngiyakhola mayengibheka ngibona ukuthi hayi le stupid lesi nginamaphepha wakhe asema overseas lokho bengingakwazi ukuthi waka wayefunda khona ngiyabona manje sekeshonile umfana wami no Julia Lhodi lo sisa bathi agent naye bathu beyi agent ngoba ubehamba thenga izindlu azithengisa waza wagcina sethengise yakubo ngisele inkingeni mina ngiyakhishwa ngiyafakwa ngiyakhishwa le furniture ubaba ibala la endlini ifurniture ngithengelwe izizukulu ngesifo sakhe beyiloki empty lendlu bathathe yonke intundu yami la ekamareni lami ibedroom yami sayidobha la ngaphandle izibuko ziphukile ini angikhoni nokwenza nix ngani ngoba fanele ngiqalelele phansi ngilungise.
Operation Dudula says it's been receiving numerous complaints from the elderly people who unfortunately do not have the financial capacity to contest their cases in court.
It's a known fact now. It's a syndicate. There are people who are just targeting izindlu in the township as owner Bogogo and the disgruntled families because they don't have money to take these matters to court. So, they just give up and, give up on their homes.
After being evicted several times, Puti is unable to be comfortable in her own home.
La ngaphandle baphula iminyango baphula into ezintsha lezi ezikhona la nale slightly do angisifuni lapho ngoba bokungase lapho ngasifaka temporary so angikhoni ukulungisa ngoba njalo fanele ngiphume njalo bafika nangesifo kuthiwa ushonile bafika ikhansela nalabantu abathenga indlu ukuthi ngifanele ngiphume ngathi hawu ngizophuma kanjani ngoba ngiyanqaba.
Operation Dudula says it has identified who the syndicates are, adding that it's addressing the matter.
We normally do contact the stakeholders that are within the housing industry, but we get a pushback. But we know some officials are involved, in the syndicate that we're going to bust as soon as Operation Dudula because we've did our checks, we visited families, we know who the people are behind all the hijacking of the properties in the township. It's not just in Soweto.
As things stand, some elderly Soweto residents have burdens to bear as threats continue, but cannot afford private security to guard their homes. The victims call on the government to step in urgently. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Zola Sholwana in Soweto.